Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new contact to your Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your phone application on your Android phone. Then you're going to type a phone number right here. And for example, I'm just going to type a random phone number. And after that, we can click on this plus button. And there will be several options for us. And we can click on create new contact since we want to add new contact. Okay, and we can put the name of the contact right here. And for example, I'm just going to add this name, and we can also add another phone number. We can add email as well, and after we're done, we can click on save. Then the contact will be saved to our Android phone. Okay, and this is the contact that I have just saved to my Android phone. And alright guys, that's how we can add a new contact to our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.